Now students, this is the last topic of the circulatory system, blood group and blood transfusion. Beta, basically there are 4 types of blood group: A, B, AB and O. So you should do one activity. You can ask the blood group of your different family members or in your neighborhood. We all are born with a specific blood group. Blood groups are genetically determined. And the blood group was discovered by Austrian scientist, that is called Lanston, in early 1900. So beta, blood group is very important to know at the time of the blood transfusion. What is transfusion? Means transferring the blood from one person to another. Maybe during illness or surgery or during accident, due to the loss of the blood, when you need more blood, so we need to be blood transfusion, but it should be matched before transfusion. So person with the blood A group has beta, in our red blood cells we have the antigens. On the basis of that antigen, our blood group can be determined. There are 2 antigen present, that is A and B. So on the basis of that antigen, our blood group has been decided. For example, a person with blood group A has antigen A on its RBCs. Person with blood group B has antigen B on its RBCs. A person whose blood group is AB has both antigen A and B on its RBC. But if person have the blood group O, it do not have any antigen. Now, before transfusion, we need to compare our blood group. So here basically 2 terms are there: donor and recipient. Donor, who is donor? A person who give blood, and recipient who receive the blood. So now we have to see how this blood group matching can be done. You have to go through this table also. So when we see the blood group A is the donor, so who can receive the blood? A, and AB can receive the blood. When the donor is B, the B and the AB blood group can receive blood. When we talk about the donor AB, so only AB can receive that blood. And if we talk about the O, A, B, AB and O, all can receive the blood. So better keep in mind, you can see AB can receive blood from all the blood groups. So it is known as the universal recipient, or it can receive blood from the all blood groups. So keep in mind, AB blood group can receive blood from all the blood groups. And here you can see that O can give blood to all the blood group. So O is called the universal donor, or who can donate blood to any blood group. Blood group A can receive blood from group A and O. Blood group B can receive blood from blood group B and O. Blood group AB can receive blood from blood group A, B, AB and O. Blood group O can receive blood from blood group O only. So we have already discussed that AB can receive blood from the all blood group. So AB is known as a universal acceptor or the recipient. And O can donate blood to all the blood groups. So it is known as a universal donor. Matching of blood group is called the blood group compatibility. Now beta, in many situations during surgery or accident, due to the excess loss of blood, the patient need blood. So we need to be blood transfusion. So what is transfusion? Transfused into the patient's blood is called the blood transfusion. The blood from a donor to the recipient. Next, the blood group of donor needs to be matched with the blood group of the patient. Means both should have the same blood group. Next, in case non-compatible blood is given, for example, blood group A is given to a patient with blood group AB, it will lead to clotting and sometimes it can be fatal, and the patient can die also. So we have to know our blood group. All should know their blood group. What is RH factor? Beta, along with the blood group, you know that blood group should be A positive, B positive, like that. So what is that? The RH factor is the another type of antigen. Just like A, B, AB and O blood group, there is an important factor necessary to determine before the blood transfusion, and that is the RH factor, another type of antigen. RH blood group is also genetically determined, and it is due to the presence or absence of a particular antigen called RH. If you write positive with U, means you have the antigen RH. If you are writing B negative, AB negative, O negative with your blood group, then you do not have the RH antigen. So beta, that should also be known to you. Your blood is A positive, B positive, AB positive or O positive or negative. So RH positive means have the RH factor, and RH negative means do not have the RH factor. Depending on the race, about 85 to 90% of the world population contain the RH factor and said to be RH. For example, about 90% of Indians are Rh positive. Rh factor is also along with the blood group A, B, AB or O. So any blood group could be Rh positive or Rh negative. For example, blood group A could be A positive or negative, B could be B positive or B negative, AB could be A positive or A negative, or O could be O positive or O negative. Rh factor in blood transfusion. So better like blood transfusion when we are doing, we should see that Rh factor also. During blood transfusion, a person with Rh can receive Rh positive as well as Rh negative blood. A person with Rh negative blood can receive only Rh negative blood. So keep in mind, during the transfusion, if you have Rh positive, you can receive blood from both the Rh positive or negative. But if you are negative, you can receive blood from the Rh negative blood group only. If an Rh negative person is given Rh positive blood, it can again lead to the clotting and can be fatal too, which lead to the death also. And one example is already given during blood transfusion. For example, A positive blood cannot be given to A negative or AB negative recipient. It can be given to A positive or AB positive recipient only. So beta, you have to go through this mind map also and learn the key terms also.